In this video, we are going to install a wireless connection kit. Your kit will include 2 radios, 2 power adapters, 4 Ethernet cables, an external antenna kit that consists of an antenna cable, an antenna, bulkhead connector, and written instructions. To begin, install the base or office radio to your network or computer. From the power adapter, connect the PoE port to the radio, and the LAN port to your network or computer. Once installed, the bottom light will be lit, indicating the unit has power. The second light from the bottom should be on or flashing, indicating a network connection. Next, install the sign radio. Remove power from the sign. Then, open the sign. You will need a drill with a bit to make a 5/8 hole into the sign. The hole should be at least 9 inches below the top of the cabinet to accommodate the bulkhead connector. Make sure the location does not interfere with other devices or the closure of the lid. Mount the bulkhead connector using the supplied O-ring on the outside of the cabinet, with the lock washer and retaining nut on the inside of the cabinet. Attach the antenna to the installed bulkhead connector and turn it to point upward. Install one end of the antenna cable to the interior side of the bulkhead connector and the other end of the cable to the top of the sign radio. Mount the radio in an appropriate place within the sign. Connect the power cable, sign controller, and ubiquity radio into the power adapter. Next, connect the provided power cable to the spring clamp power connection or power block. Run the white wire and black wires to the terminal block and the green wire to the grounding bar. To insert wires into the terminal block, use a small screwdriver to push the wire into the proper slot. Turn the sign on while observing the sign radio. Just like the base radio, the bottom light should be lit, indicating the unit has power. Also, the light above should be on or flashing, indicating a network connection to the sign's PC controller. As the sign radio powers up, the status lights will begin to indicate communication to the base or office radio. You may now close the sign. Your installation is complete.